Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD type and ensuring compatibility with your motherboard. That's crucial because NVMe uses M. 2, while SATA uses a different connector. Once confirmed, back up your current system image or at least critical files so you can recover if something fails. Next, power down, open the case, and mount the SSD securely using the correct slot or adapter. Make sure you have a grounded workspace to avoid static damage, and label cables so you don't mix them later. You now choose between cloning your existing drive or doing a clean install. Cloning keeps settings and apps, while a clean install gives a lean, optimal system. If cloning, boot the cloning tool from a USB environment, select the source drive, and set the SSD as the target. Ensure partition alignment, and that cloning preserves UEFI versus legacy boot. If installing fresh, create a bootable installer, boot into it, delete old system partitions on the SSD, and install to a correctly formatted drive. You finish by rebooting into BIOS or UEFI and setting the SSD as the first boot device. Make sure OSI is enabled for SATA or NVMe mode is active for M. 2, because these modes affect performance and booting. Once in the OS, verify trim is enabled, update the SSD firmware, and install any vendor drivers. If the system does not boot, check cables and ports, confirm boot order, and run a startup repair or rebuild the bootloader. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.